The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardinsburg, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hardinsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.